In from Kolkata, the Calcutta High Court has cancelled all OBC certificates after 2011. In fact, all OBC certificates which were issued since 2011 have in fact been cancelled by the High Court in its order. The order was in a petition challenging the grant of these certificates. Let me go across to my colleague Saurabh Gupta for more on this. Saurabh, what are the details of this order and why did it come about? Tell us more about this petition and what were the objections raised by it?
Well, this was a two-judge bench of the Calcutta High Court that was hearing a plea, in this case, and they, of course, were hearing a challenge to the granting of OBC certificates and the process followed to grant OBC certificates since 2001. Now, the Calcutta High Court has felt that all OBC certificates granted since 2001 need to be cancelled, and therefore they've cancelled all OBC certificates in that order passed. Now, we've seen orders like this in the past also from the Calcutta High Court, and they've usually been challenged in the Supreme Court, and the state government has managed to obtain a stay on those orders, whether it's cancellation of teachers' jobs or whether orders similar like this one. So obviously the state government, we are being given to understand, will appeal against this order in the Supreme Court and also ask for a stay on the implementation of this order, because this is, of course, concerns several beneficiaries who've been given, these certificates since, application since 2000 court.
That's right, Saurabh. The Bengal government might go to Supreme Court on this matter, but this, during this election season, there seems to be several legal hurdles that the Mamata government seems to be facing. It's a bit of a deja vu for them, because just recently the Calcutta High Court had also cancelled appointments made in the teachers' recruitment scheme, during which several 25,000 teachers or so, the teaching staff were in fact affected. That order, of course, was stayed by the Supreme Court, and I'm sure the TMC government would expect similar relief from the Supreme Court this time around as well. But tell us that the kind of impact that these legal cases which are happening during this election season are having, the kind of impact they're having on the TMC as they go about their campaign.
The Trinamool Congress is exactly challenged. They've raised questions on the timings of these orders because they've come bang during elections, and therefore the Trinamool Congress has also alleged that a section of the judiciary has been acting at the behest of the BJP, and they blame the BJP for these orders. And this has been a publicly made stand of the Trinamool Congress, that they have said that on several public platforms and made public statements, of course, that a section of the judiciary has been acting at the behest of the BJP, and they will, of course, appeal against this order of the state government. But we've also put this question to another retiring judge of the Calcutta High Court yesterday, and he said that several orders go in the favor of the Trinamool as well. For example, yesterday an order went in the favor of the Trinamool when it comes to ads that the BJP was running. So in that context, obviously, judges work within the limits of the law, but this has been a question that the Trinamool has thrown at the judiciary and challenged the judiciary, and the BJP has said that the Trinamool, of course, trying to malign the judiciary when the orders don't go in that favor. And this timing of these orders have certainly been questioned in political circles.